What the hell is this? Hey guys, today I'll show you how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube PLL parity. Oh, is this? Hey guys, today I'll show you how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube PLL parity with no algorithms. Before we start, make sure you make the subscribe button gray. And PLL parity can either look like this, or this. So basically cases you would not find on a 3x3 on PLL. Here no more, because it only takes 6 moves to get this back into a 3x3 familiar case. These 6 moves work anywhere on an unfamiliar case on PLL, and I'll show you that right now. And I'll also put the algorithm on top, just the top, twice. Move this twice. You want to move this, do is first off, move these 2 layers twice, like the familiar 3x. In this case, if I do it here, first I'm positive, because, leave this work and share it to your friends that don't know parity. Alright, that's it for this video. See you guys next time. Bye.
You have clicked on the 4x4 PLL parity. What PLL parity is to solve both ways. Fast forward in the but the lowercase is right here. Now when you're performing the ring shell 4x4 version 4, now, what I've seen a lot of people do is they grip it like this and they turn the R like this and then turn it back. And it puts you back in this position so you can start doing your other moves. And the way that you do that is you fast at this one, because this is not the one that I usually use, but I think I might switch. Then your F, R2 to finish your setup moves and put them back again. Now, I have a guide. You can check that out and start learning, or
nope. Nope. Ooh.